Hello, Touchpoint support. Well, look what it says. We have had several clocks that do this. So, where is the network? Where is the network cable? So I think the fix is to power cycle the clock. Okay, so the clocks do that. Looks like they want to apply some updates, but then they just stay stuck there. And what we have to do is remove the power from the time clock, which I'm assuming, what it does is stops that updating process that the machine is doing, and then the clock starts working again. So we need to figure out how to solve this issue with these clocks. So what I did is I unplugged the network cable from the clock, because these clocks get power from the switch. And I believe Jesus Victoria did this for one other clock, so that's what we want to know. That's why we want to know if there's a way to somehow get into the software and take care of this update that the software wants to do, so that it completes with the update, so that we're hoping that that's what we need to do. So okay, so it's taking a while. Is it gonna boot all the way? So I don't think we should be doing this unplugging power, but looks like that's the solution to this issue. So as you can see, it has to do something with the computer trying to apply some updates. That something's not working right, that the update process doesn't finish. So figure out a way to apply whatever update the machine needs, or we need to figure out how to configure these machines so that they don't go out and look for Windows updates. So I don't know how long this is gonna take, so I'm gonna stop the recording. So, but anyway, this is what's happening. And this is the second clock that this happens. So, anyways, I'm gonna stop the recording.